Do you have a modern phone and you're not able to connect it to your old headphones, or maybe even a big receiver, a mixer, or an amplifier? Well, today we're going to show you how to do that without having to use Bluetooth, which some of your older systems may not have, and it's always nice to have that physical connection. Hi, I'm Paul, the outdoor movie guy. I've been in the outdoor movie industry for more than 10 years now, and before that I was in information technology. So let's get on with it. Here is the adapter, and I've actually changed from my previous adapter. I used to use a USB-C to headphone, and I've actually changed to this one that allows me to charge my phone as well, because when you have the adapter plugged into your phone, there is no way to charge your phone. So what we're going to do is use this different adapter right here. And always remember to take the little plastic bit off. And this adapter, so this will go into your phone, and you'll see it's got a pigtail. Now the pigtail, this one allows you to put power in here, and then this will be for your headphones. If you look in at this, it actually shows a headset. What that means is this adapter on an Android device, on say a Note or a Samsung or whatever it happens to be, will allow you, if you've got a headset or earbuds that do have the microphone, it'll allow you to plug that in and use that. This adapter will work on an iPad, but you won't be able to use the microphone input. It'll just work for playback. So let's plug this into the phone and go on from there. Great thing about USB-C, it can go in either way. So I plugged in my USB-C. The next thing I'm going to do, charge my phone. So that's that extra thing. So if you're at an event and you're playing music for an extended period of time and you're using a phone as your playback device, being able to plug it in and charge your phone is really valuable. So right now we're charging it, and now I'm going to plug in my headphones and we'll play some music.
I'm a Barbie girl.
Oh yeah.
In a Barbie world.
So if you're plugging into an amplifier, an old receiver, or maybe a mixer at an outdoor event, we'll unplug that, put my phone down for a second, and get the RCA cable. So an RCA cable it's a very old technology. It's often used for connecting devices, and you'll always recognize it with the red and white, or red and black if you're in the UK, I believe. And you can always remember which is which. Red is your right channel, white is your left channel. And then this has the 3.5 connector, and that's going to be going into the phone. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually connect it to my receiver, and I have an old receiver amplifier. Oh my gosh. Right here. And if we look, and I'm going to look slightly across so I can see my monitor. Right there you've got your red and your white. Oh, there we go. So I'm going to plug both of those in. And now I'm ready to plug in. Now, a real top tip for you guys here is make sure that input is turned off. Because if you plug it in and that input is on and live, when you put it in, it's going to click and make really bad noises. You could even damage a speaker. I always set the phone volume then to about 75 to 80%, and then you'll do all of your audio adjustments on the mixer itself. At an outdoor event, very unlikely they'll have Bluetooth connectivity for you. You're going to need an adapter, and this is probably the best way to do it. So I will put a link in the description for the adapter and also that RCA cable, the RCA to headphone jack. If you do have any questions, just pop up in the comments below. Like, subscribe, give us some love. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.